How to add second phone number on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add second phone number on Truecaller. First open Truecaller. Now click this profile icon here in the top corner. Then click settings. Click complete your profile, and here we'll find it. Here's it. Add second phone number, and just click on it and add it. And that's it. I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.